Practice problem number 1, we're asked to calculate the molarity of a solution prepared by taking 11.5 grams of solid sodium hydroxide, adding some water. The total volume is going to be 1.50 liters of solution. So remember that molarity, that capital M, really means moles of solute, what you're dissolving, over total volume of solution. So in this solution, we're going to have some amount of moles of sodium hydroxide, and we know we're going to divide that by 1.50 liters of our solution. The issue is that the given quantity of solid sodium hydroxide is in grams. So we take those 11.5 grams of sodium hydroxide, we're going to convert that into moles of sodium hydroxide. Go to your periodic table, you're looking for the mass of sodium plus the mass of an oxygen plus the mass of a hydrogen. Okay, and we add all those numbers together, we're going to get 40 grams of sodium hydroxide. Grams of sodium hydroxide cancel, you're left with moles. So 11.5 divided by 40, we get 0.2875 moles of sodium hydroxide. Now we can finish our calculation of molarity, and we use square brackets to represent concentration. It's going to be those 0.2875 moles over the 1.50 liters. So I take my answer in my calculator and divide by 1.5. 0.191666, repeating capital M for molarity, or you can simply leave it as moles over liters. Now looking at sig figs, 1, 2, 3 sig figs, 1, 2, 3 sig figs should be kept. So we're going to ignore that 0 because it doesn't count. Start here with the 1, the 9, and then the 2. There's a 6 after it, so we're going to round up. So our final answer is 0.192 capital M, or you can write 0.192 moles over liters. You could also say 0.192 moles times liters to the -1. The -1 means that the liters is in the denominator of our fraction.